How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Irregular. Today we're going to be working on Little Big Pimp. Today we're actually going to be installing some Bilstein 5100 adjustable shocks in the front. Right now I'm sitting, I have a 3-inch level and I want to add these just so the price is a little bit better and some a little bit higher. Once I'm done, since this truck is 2-wheel drive, I can max it out. I'll be sitting at 5.5. Technically 5.6, but I'm around down, let's say 5.5. So let me take you to the workbench and show you what you need. Alright, so we're at the workbench right here. So of course you're gonna need the Bilsteins. I'm gonna actually unbox it to show you what all comes in it. You will need a 14mm socket, a 14mm wrench, a 3/4 socket, or this is 14mm and this is 3/4, a wrench, and you're gonna need the strut spring compressor kit. You can rent it from O'Reilly's, Advance, AutoZone, all of them. O'Reilly's is the closest one, so we got it from O'Reilly's, about 60 bucks. And the part number is 67051, just in case if you want to do this for yourself and rent it. So you need that, and then let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Show you what all it comes with. There's one. I don't know. I opened one already, and this one didn't come with a sticker, so this is probably the opened one. So of course you got the Bilstein shock. Oh wait, this is the open one. Comes with washers, instructions of course. Also comes with the C-clip that holds your spring on, and the C-clip is already on here to adjust it. That's why I have the Phillips here, because I'm gonna adjust it so it's maxed out right here. The strap, what it sits on, bushings, and a zip tie, and a nut for the top. So yeah, I guess let's get started. Also don't forget you need a jack stand and jacks and an impact to get your wheels off. Of course, don't forget about that. So let's actually go do that now. So bring you back to Little Big Pimp. Alright, I got the wheel off, so I have to take off these 3 bolts up here, the bottom strut bolt, and I'm taking the sway bar link out so it's a little bit easier to adjust everything. Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Irregular. Well, not really back. This is day number 3 actually working on Little Big Pimp. As you know, we were getting those in. This is what the whole video is about. We got that on at 2 o'clock in the morning last night, and we're not even done because this bolt right here is stripped. The crown bolt to hold the uppers on, and a whole bunch of stuff. Want to see the other strut bolt? So this is the old one. We had to cut it because this is lodged. It's lodged. But if we come over here, we still have to hook up the sway bar, the upper, and then connect all these. Hook this up to here. ABS, hook it all up back together, put the wheel on, and then go to the other side. So we're about to head to O'Reilly's to get the bolt. It cut out because I accidentally turned my phone off, so my bad for that. So yeah, I guess just wait for Chase and continue, I guess. He said he could possibly rethread it if you can look, it's the threads are kind of messed up on it. So well, I'm gonna go get Daddy Chase and hopefully be able to get this stuff done, because truck's been sitting like that for 3 days now and only one side's done. So see you guys whenever we get a new bolt or rethread it. I gotta figure out what Chase is doing. Deuces. Alright, me and Chase got everything back together. As you can see on this side, everything's all back together. I'm stepping on Mountain Dew cans. My angles, shit. The ride quality, no clue. Is this a clap piece of shit? Yes. But I mean, it barely touches. It touches, like, really bad. But I have upper control arms coming in Thursday, and then I got new lower control arms coming in Tuesday. Ordering them Tuesday. So yeah, thanks Jarrett for giving me lower control arms. And the uppers, they're extended uppers. They're 2 to 4 inches. I only paid 120 bucks on eBay, brand new. They're just no name, so I mean, I really didn't care, because I am gonna do powder coat on this stuff, so it really does not matter. Let me flip the camera, show you what we're doing on the passenger side, since I barely showed you anything. Oh, it's the same concept. All you gotta do is the same thing on the driver's side as you did the passenger side, but I am recording it all because I would rather record it all than not. So let me switch the camera to the back and show you what to do. Alright, so like I said, the 3 bolts. If you have the level already on, this is a Supreme level. These bolts are 17 millimeter, just to let y'all know. Just so y'all know it. This is the 14. This has to come off in order to, well, okay, there's a lot of stuff you gotta do. A lot of stuff. Basically, every bolt you see, man, this one has the cotter pin in it still. My other side did not. This right here, this bracket right here, this bolt right here, this bolt, and you want to see some sketchy crap? We look right there. This bolt has no nut, and I have been driving like that for probably like 6 months, maybe. I mean, I haven't had no issues because everything's maxed the hell out. But yeah, I don't know if I pointed to this one either. You gotta take this one off. So let me get the tripod set up, and I'll get this done. Alright, so we did, in fact, get the coil out. My phone did overheat. That's why the video or the time lapse stopped when it did. My phone overheated, but we got it off. And we walk over to Chase's, this one. Come here. Coil's almost done. So, yeah, all we gotta do is continue tightening down the top and put it back in and push everything down and bolt everything back in. The passenger side wasn't as bad as the driver's side. The driver's side took us 3 days. This is our first day working on the passenger side. We're almost done. I wish the driver's side was like this. Alright guys, so it's actually a few days later. I was letting everything settle, It's pretty high, but you can see it a little bit. It's pretty good, I guess. It is stiff. However, I am actually finishing this. I am sorry for the cut off of that roller and then me coming back. This is a few days later because I wanted it to settle. I'm actually gonna find a tape measure because I want to measure it. The stock, whenever I was on the 3-inch, I don't know what the stock height was because I was also on 225s. I'm doing it based off of these wheels. So on the 3-inch level, I had a 6.5-inch gap. So I'm gonna go find a tape measure, measure that, and then stay tuned for the next video because those are my uppers and that's why I'm back at Chase's. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so I got a tape measure right here and middle of tire we got 8.5. So when it was on the 3-inch level, when it was on the 3-inch level, it was 6.5. So it did, well, damn, I don't know. This is a different tape measure than what I used. I'll have to use my original one and then I'll update you guys. But I am gonna measure it after this, after I install those. So yeah. I hope you guys had enjoyed the video. Great day. Enjoyed it. I hope you did. I'm glad this is done, but it's got to get worked on again. Sucks real bad, but we're gonna be squatted, so that's all that matters, right? Yeah, trends of 2022, I guess. If you don't know, my front plate also says dot patrol key touches. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out the next video. It's gonna be uppers, it's gonna be a review, it's gonna be an install, and I'll probably do a little update on everything, like another video, like just a spotlight of my truck. Yeah. And my dog is looking at me now. Alright. And there's trucks going by. Hope you guys enjoyed. I said it for the 3rd time.